Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your build and badge loadout, so boosting targets the right strengths. Once done, spend a small amount of VC on one core attribute to observe change. This prevents wasted points. Make sure to prioritize the attribute that matches your role. Shot creator boosts play differently than slasher upgrades. After that, run a quick 3-5 minute practice session to see animations and timing shifts so you know the initial boost behaved as expected. Once you gather feedback from practice, start applying more VC strategically during mid-stage progression. Test changes in actual games to capture real interactions. Sometimes shooting timing or contest windows change subtly. Then, distribute remaining points to secondary stats like defense and stamina to avoid glaring weaknesses. Make sure to reconfigure badges and coach sliders to match the new attribute profile, because badges can magnify or mute boosts, and adjusting them now saves reworking later. Finish by cementing your attribute spread when performance stabilizes across several games. Consistency indicates you hit the sweet spot. If you notice regressions, inspect fatigue, badge interference, and equipment bonuses first, since they often explain sudden drops. As a troubleshooting tip, revert the most recent adjustments and retest. Small, conservative reallocation avoids major setbacks. Finally, keep a simple log of changes and game outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.